I'm sure you recognize this situation many times. It's tough. But now there's a solution. Hello, my name is Alex. I'm a tight dad and the inventor of the Baby Rocker. Baby Rocker is a simple, flexible, and smart device that rocks your baby calmly in its bed. It's a device that gives you an extra hand in a rough daily life. It calms your baby gently so you can do the important daily tasks. The Baby Rocker is different from other similar products. Instead of just creating a vibrating motion, it actually rocks the baby, just like a real person would do. And of course, you can control the Baby Rocker with an app. The Baby Rocker can mimic any rocking motion you can do by your hand. It can be mounted on a baby sling, on a rocking chair, and of course on a good old-fashioned cradle. Fellow parents, I have 2 kids myself. I have experienced all the difficulties of being a parent and how much a helping hand is needed in an everyday life.
We spend on average 8 times more time in our beds than in our cars. But for some reason, our cars have climate control and can now park and drive themselves, while our beds have stayed the same for hundreds of years. At Smart Duvet, we believe it's time for our beds to catch up to the 21st century. Introducing the Smart Duvet, the world's first dual-zone, climate-controlled, self-making bed. Well, possibly the single biggest innovation in our bedrooms in the last 100 years. Smart Duvet lets you select your preferred temperature for each side of the bed independently using the smartphone app, avoiding all future arguments about room temperature. We were able to achieve both climate control and self-making bed features through our patent-pending inflatable sheet placed seamlessly between your duvet and duvet cover. No more sweaty nights spent regulating your body temperature by leaving a leg out of the duvet. It's time we give sleep the attention it deserves. We all know that a good night's sleep will leave us happier, healthier, and more productive. In 2016, Smart Duvet amazed the world by introducing the first app-controlled self-making bed. This year, we wanted to make Smart Duvet even better by doing more than making the bed for you. We wanted to improve your nights as well. That's how the Smart Duvet was born. You and your partner can benefit from a better night's sleep by individually adjusting the temperature with your smartphone. You can even refresh or preheat your bed a few minutes before sleep to enjoy the perfect temperature when you get in bed. Smart Duvet is also a great way to reduce your energy consumption by heating and cooling your body directly instead of the entire house. It will also eliminate arguments over room temperature or who will have to make the bed. Keeping your sheets dry and oxygenated will also eliminate potential dust mites and germs from the bed.
The world's first app-control smart power station, which gives you uninterrupted power all day, every day. Monster is equipped with built-in wireless charger, 3 rapid charging USB ports, AC/DC outputs, and 60-watt power delivery capability. With the 9 outputs, it can power at least 9 devices at the same time. There are 2 120-volt AC outlets. So if your electricity at home is off, Monster will power small home appliances, including your flat-screen TV. With the 100,500 mAh huge capacity, Monster can keep a 55-inch LCD working for 3 hours, or a 20-liter icebox 12 hours. In terms of charging, the 15-watt USB ports enable 3 times faster charging. You can charge your iPhone X to 85% in just 45 minutes. The USB-C port supports the fastest 60-watt power delivery, which can charge your MacBook or get Monster fully charged in just 6 hours. With the built-in QI wireless charger, simply place your phone on the top of Monster and it will start charging immediately. The cigarette lighter socket provides convenient DC output when you're traveling. In case there is no other power supply, with a 50-watt solar charging pad, 20 minutes of sunshine can get you enough power to fully charge your iPhone. The Smart Power Management System allows you to monitor the Monster battery level and turn the outputs on and off as required, as well as monitor the power of output on the app or on the panel. So this really is a monster, and not just a battery. It is a true power station that can power all the devices you may need in times of emergency, or just when you're out and about. Now get your Monster and share it with your friends. Start enjoying your newfound freedom today.
V-Ton Ultrasonic Cleaning Pen. It's the smallest ultrasonic washing equipment in the world. And anytime or anywhere, you can use it. In life, we will encounter many unexpected difficulties. For example, those annoying stains. But don't worry. V-Ton Ultrasonic Cleaning Pen can help you with the trouble. And keep your clothes clean right away. V-Ton is a smaller, clever product. What's more important is that you can carry it with you anytime and anywhere. How about V-Ton 2.0? We make it more powerful through optimization. It has achieved unprecedented performance through circuit optimization and accessories upgrading. An ultrasonic transmitter, it can produce strong power. In addition, it has a variety of flexible charging way, so you don't have to worry about its power. What can V-Ton 2.0 do? Tie, vest, sweater, trousers, and so on. It's not a problem for it. We have done thousands of experiments about cleaning stains. The goal is to find more efficient cleaning method. V-Ton can quickly clean out various sorts of dirty and dirty stains. Now let's see how it works. You just have to put your shoes in the water. The rest of the job V-Ton can going to help you finish. Powerful ultrasonic energy can instantly remove dirt and stains. You only need very little water to wash clothes. Of course, you better cooperate with the laundry fluid. Now let's look at the wonderful performance of V-Ton.